Hello everyone, my name is Thomas, and in this video we will look at how to use Gamma AI. First visit website Gamma AI. The link is in the description. Now we have to create an account. Click on the button, sign up for free. Next, click on continue with Google. Now just continue the basic steps. Here, Gamma AI asks you for basic information, so it optimizes the AI for you. And that's it. That was creating an account. Now let's look at using basic features. In the middle, click on Generate. Here you can describe what you'd like to make. I typed make a startup pitch deck for a fitness app. Then click on Generate Outline. Gamma AI will then create the outline for me. Now you can review the report. If you're happy, click on Generate, and now the magic is happening. Our presentation is created. Looks pretty good. Now, let's say we want to change something. In the middle is a button called Edit with AI. Click on it. Here you can change some specific things based on your needs. For example, let's change the language of the presentation. Click on Translate, and there you can change the language you want. Now let's add a new card. Is a button called Add a Card with AI. Click on it. Here you can add a prompt and the Gamma AI will create another card for you. Now you can play with the app and create stunning presentations. Let's say you want to export the presentation. On the upper right side is a button. It looks like 3 dots. Click on it. Then click on Export. After that, you just choose the format you like, and that's it. If you have any questions or you want to learn specific features about this program, let me know in the comments.